Hello everyone. Viewers, as you have seen that we have installed Python, Anaconda, and then we created environment for our new project with the name of project 1. So if now we want to launch the Jupyter Notebook for our work, we can see that here it is not installed. So in this video we will be going to install Jupyter Notebook and IPython. So let's start. Search bar, by writing Anaconda prompt, as you can see here. So simply click on this. As you can see that Anaconda prompt is open in front of us. So we can activate our newly formed environment, which was with the name of project 1. As you can see here, the base environment is activated, and we want to work on our newly created environment, which was named with the project 1. So first we will activate our that environment. For that we will write a single line code, which is Conda activate, and then write the name of that environment, which was project 1, and then click enter. So as you can see, now it is project 1 which is activated. Now we will do our installation in our environment project 1. So now we want to install Jupyter Notebook. So we will write Conda install Jupyter and click enter. As you can see, the download process is now in progress. Proceed yes, click enter Y and click enter button. It's now downloading the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is important to be downloaded in our environment because that provides us a interface where we can work and write our Python code. You can see the Jupyter is on its way of installation. We will also download this IPython in a while after the completion. We are done with the process of downloading of Jupyter Notebook. Now we will install IPython as well. Both of these are important because we can use both of them as our working interfaces. This is already installed with the installation of Jupyter. Now we will check if both of these are successfully downloaded or not. So we will minimize this terminal, and as you can see, this is our environment. If we click on this button, you can see here both of these are successfully downloaded. So if we now click on the Jupyter Notebook, so in a while it will prompt us towards the Jupyter Notebook. Let's wait a few seconds for the launching of Jupyter Notebook. Select a browser where you want to open your Jupyter Notebook. It has taken us to the local host where we will work with our Jupyter Notebook. See, the Jupyter Notebook is successfully created. As you can see, the Jupyter Notebook has been activated and opened, but we cannot find where to write our code. So it's because a proper path or a directory is not yet created. So first we will make a directory or a path for our project to be kept there. And for that we will write a simple code. Again, open your terminal. In your project 1, make a directory for your project, and for that write the code mkdir, and then give any name. For example, I want it to be with the name of project data. So you can write this code and then you can click enter and also write cd space project data. So both of these lines are compulsory to be written in that form. So the directory and a path is created. Now if you want to open Jupyter Notebook with that path, so you will write a code cd slash path slash 2 forward slash and then write project data. This is the name of that directory. So type it and then write Jupyter Notebook. So it will take you to that place, and it has linked the Jupyter Notebook with that directory. And now if you see again, a new tab is opened in the same browser. You can see the Jupyter is now open. Now you will make your first notebook, and for that click on this new button and click notebook. A notebook will be opened in front of you, and as you can see here, an interface is shown to you which is showing that you are now ready to go with your first code. You can write your Python code here and it will take you to the amazing world of machine learning and Python. You can also rename your file by clicking on this untitled, and you can simply write a name for this notebook. As for example, I am working with a VIT model, so I will give a name of VIT to this, rename will, and then you can see now my VIT notebook is created. If you go back with your home tab, so you can simply you can check it that notebook, and INB is created. IPyNB is the extension for a Python notebook. So you are ready to go with your code, and this was all for our today's video. And for more such kind of informative videos, keep watching our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.